Hello guys, we are starting our market analysis here on silver chart at daily time frame as always. What we can see from the past few days was Wednesday with a very nice push to the upside after testing the daily fair value gap over here, and then Tuesday with a nice continuation to the upside after the retest of the daily order book over here. As we can see, we tapped into it and then made a very nice reaction to the upside. So clearly for today, we are again expecting the bullish price action to keep on going, and we will be expecting those highs over here to be taken out. As well, if we are very aggressive, we might be looking even for this extreme over here, but first target will be those highs over here. 4-hour time frame, as we can see, that fair value up over here made a very nice work, keeping us into the range and failing to be disrespected. So currently we are seeing the next one over here, and most likely we're gonna see one more over here if we don't close it back in the next 1.5 hours. So we have some zones of interest from where we will be looking for positions, currently waiting for some kind of a manipulation, let's say below edge session lows, so we might look for a position. So currently putting an alarm over here and waiting for some kind of a manipulation to the downside so we can take an entry to the upside. Gold on the daily time frame, same exact structure with yesterday with a bit of a slower price action over here, but still we are looking for bullishness in here. That extreme over here, those three highs and that fair value gap will be our target for today. The 4-hour time frame, as we can see, a bullish structure, very nice. We have that fair value gap which should be acting as a support for the price. A nice reaction out of that fair value gap. So currently we're looking for bullish price action. Same exact thing here. I don't expect the edge session lows to be taken out. So currently we will be waiting for New York Open to see if silver takes edge session lows out, or we will put our eye on London session lows. Euro on the daily time frame, same exact thing as on gold and silver. Still the same targets are on place. That small imbalance over here will be our target. The price keeps on pushing to the upside. We have a very good structure. We've came back into the order book over here, tested, made a reaction out of it with aggressive push. So currently we're waiting for some kind of a manipulation to the downside, so I can position myself for some kind of a long. Currently we're looking for that fair value gap to keep on be respected by the price. Hourly time frame, I will be putting an alarm below edge session lows, waiting for some kind of a fast manipulation below it, and then move to the upside. So currently I'm sitting on my hands, waiting to see if we are going to manipulate below edge session lows, or we will see a range over here and a manipulation below London lows with New York Open. And finally, pound, the daily time frame, what we can see, same exact thing, bullishness all over the place, looking for those extremes over here to be our final target for the week. 4-hour time frame, nice reaction here out of the fair value gap with an aggressive push to the upside. We also have that fair value gap over here on the 4-hour time frame, which I'm expecting to see support from. We've also have that one over here. So currently we have some zones of interest from where we will be looking for positions to the upside. The hourly time frame clearly in a bullish price action here. I will be marking edge session lows as well, and we will be waiting for some kind of a manipulation below them. If we don't have a manipulation below them, then we will mark ourselves the London lows and wait for manipulation below them with New York Open. That will be it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching.